There it is, the Oscar Mayer Wienermobile. I had to do a quick video with this. You don't get to see this every day. Although one time I did have to be next to it when I was en route of going to Arkansas after a hurricane. So here it is. If you see it in Acadiana, give it a honk or something. I wonder if they give out, I mean, it's not like they can give out coupons for weenies or something. Maybe they do, I don't know. Look at the front. It's even got like weenie, like hot dog seats and stuff. Wow, it's pretty cool. There it is. Check it out. Check out the license plate. Uh-oh. Yummy. Keep it Oscar. Hashtag.